Welcome back to Cars Info. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of the 2024 Toyota Century, a car that combines traditional elegance with modern technology. Let's explore what makes this vehicle a true icon of automotive craftsmanship. At first glance, the 2024 Toyota Century exudes sophistication and understated elegance. Its timeless design cues include a distinctive grille with vertical slats, LED headlights that seamlessly blend into the chrome trim, and a commanding presence that demands respect on the road. Stepping inside the Century, you're greeted by a cabin that's synonymous with comfort and luxury. The interior materials are handcrafted to perfection, with premium leather upholstery and wood trim that showcase Toyota's commitment to exquisite craftsmanship. Despite its classic appeal, the 2024 Century doesn't skimp on modern technology. It boasts a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a large touchscreen display, advanced driver assistance features for enhanced safety, and a premium sound system that delivers an unparalleled audio experience. Under the hood, the 2024 Century is powered by a refined hybrid powertrain. This not only ensures a smooth and quiet ride, but also enhances fuel efficiency, making it an ideal choice for those who appreciate both performance and eco-friendliness. On the road, the Century delivers a serene driving experience. Its adaptive suspension system absorbs bumps effortlessly, while the cabin remains whisper quiet, cocooning occupants in a world of luxury and tranquility. In conclusion, the 2024 Toyota Century is more than just a car. It's a statement of prestige and elegance. From its timeless design to its luxurious interior and advanced technology, every aspect of the Century reflects Toyota's dedication to crafting a vehicle that exceeds expectations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more automotive insights. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2024 Toyota Century, and what other cars you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching.